To give you a good overview when running multiple systems in parallel, the Unicorn toolbox contains two web browser-based tools, which are My Instruments, which is a dashboard showing you all the systems you're running, and Unicorn Online, which is a way to interact with your ÄKTA systems even when you are not in front of them from a web browser. Let's look how these two tools work in more detail. You can access the My Instrument dashboard by clicking on the link, which opens the login window of My Instruments. And after having logged in, you will see an overview of the systems and the different states. So here you see our three ÄKTA Go systems, of which only ÄKTA Go system number 3 is currently running. The other two systems are in the ready state. You can customize this view by allocating locations, system types, states, user groups, or even filter for the user being in control in the setup to really customize what you want to see in this dashboard. If you want to interact with the system from the dashboard, you can click on the arrow below the system you want to interact with. So when you do this, a dialog box opened where you can get information on the current run by looking at curve or run data. You can get an overview of the utilization of the system, or you can use the Unicorn Online tool to connect to the system you want to have. You see that Unicorn Online contains a small version of the system control and a quick result viewer. Let's have a look at the system control of Unicorn Online. Clicking on the system control, you can now connect from your web browser to the system ÄKTA Go 3. We can have a look with a remote camera on the system. So you see this is now our ÄKTA Go number 3, and it's currently in run state. I can now take over control of the system in Unicorn Online and just see what happens when I put it from the run state to the pause state by clicking on pause. So if you look on the side, when I hit pause here in Unicorn Online, the system goes to pause mode, and I can also continue interacting with the system here. To give you a full overview of the possibilities of Unicorn Online, you can look at the curves, you can look at the manual interactions and change all the manual things that you can do from the Unicorn system control as well. In summary, the small footprint and flexibility of ÄKTA Go together with the Unicorn toolbox enables you to run multiple systems in parallel and have a good control and easy way of programming. The method queue in Unicorn enables you to combine standard method in whichever way you want. You get a nice overview over your systems remotely using the My Instrument dashboard, and you can use the Unicorn Online tool to even access and control your systems from afar.